I'm Aaron and this is How-Tos with Aaron. Today we're measuring to cut a hole. So this is the project that I'm doing, and I've got these can lights that I've got to cut a hole for. First we want to measure from the edge to the edge of the light. We've got 17 1/8 there, 23 1/4 there, 23 1/2. So we're going to come down to our sheetrock, put the same thing. $17 1/4, 23 1/2. Move down a little and then put it again. Now we're going to do the same thing going the other direction. Now I've taken a piece of sheetrock and put 2 screws that are at 3 1/4 apart from each other, sticking out of the end just a little bit. Take one screw, stab it in the exact middle there, spin it around just like a compass. And there's our circle. Now we just cut it out and then it'll be right on. Alright, there's our piece. Nice, perfect cut, nice and tight. Even had another one right there, a box over there. Came out with great accuracy, perfect circle. It's an easy way and it's really not that hard. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Remember, we can do all things through Christ, and He can do all things through us. Be blessed.